Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is HP Laserjet M140WE. This printer is multifunctional printer, multitask, 3-in-1. In the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. Connection, wireless setup and high-speed USB cable. Print speed 22 print per minute. Paper handling 130 sheet input tray. LCD screen with buttons. What we want to do is check this stuff out and see what is inside. This printer uses ink toner 142A. This is the information pack. Power cables, 2 power cables included. One is 2-pin and this one is 3-pin. There we go. This is setup guide. From the back here, the power cable goes here. The USB cable goes in here. USB cable is not included in the packaging. And this is the scanner, flat belt scanner. We open this printer up. This is the toner 142A. So take the power cable, go in here, push it inside. It's in. Now plug it onto the power. Bring out this cover, and from this cover you load various sizes of paper, A4 paper, photo paper, and adjust it accordingly. So this is one of the world's smallest all-in-one printer, Wi-Fi with self-healing, print and scan with HP Smart app. So from here you can see this is LCD screen. This button here is for you to switch this printer on and off. This button here is cancel button. This is Wi-Fi button. This button here is ID copy button. This is for you to start, copy and resume button. And this is up and down button for you to change copy setting and value. And this is copy option button. Press to access number of copies, lighter and darker, reduce and enlarge copy setting. This is LCD screen. Now this is the scanner, flat belt scanner. You stick the document you want to copy or scan on top of the glass scanner, then select the copy buttons for you to copy the document. And if you open up this printer, this is the toner 42A toner, and to load the toner I just need to go in and push it down, close it and wait. Now to load paper, take the paper you want to load and go to the paper tray and adjust it accordingly. This is A4 paper. You load it here. So to put this printer in a wireless mode, what you need to do is you need to press the Wi-Fi and cancel button together, and the printer will start to flash. And you can see the printer is now flashing. After 3 seconds, then you release it. So now what we need to do is we need to look for this printer. So download HP Smart App on your phone. Go to Play Store. So this is HP Smart App. Download HP Smart App, select plus, and choose a new printer. So it will ask you, choose a printer to add. Connect a new HP printer to network. Select first option. Then it will ask you, how do you want to connect the printer? You select Wi-Fi network, select continue. Now I will ask you get your printer ready, select continue. Here we go, and printer is found. M140 Laserjet printer is found. So you need to select on it. Now connect printer to Wi-Fi network. So you pick up the office Wi-Fi network. So I have the Wi-Fi password. Sometimes people ask, where do you get the password? You get the password from the network router. So I'm going to put the password. I have the password information here. I also want to mention, if you ask you to put a small letter, type in small letter. If you ask you to put a capital letter, type in capital letter, because this is case sensitive. So once you put the password, you can select I sign at the end for you to double check if you are happy with the information you typed in. Okay, and I'm happy with it. So the next thing to do is you need to select continue. Printer is found. The next is preparing the printer. Press and release the flashing Wi-Fi button. Okay, you can see there's the Wi-Fi button here. So you press this once, and printer prepared. The next is obtaining IP address. Printer connected to Wi-Fi network, and you select continue. Connecting to HP service. While it's doing this, if you look on the printers where you will see that the Wi-Fi light is now steady, it's no longer flashing. Accept all. Now select your country. So scroll down or up to select your country. United Kingdom. Select continue. Introducing HP Plus. This printer comes with 6 months of instant ink, but it's not compulsory. Thank you for choosing HP Plus. Select continue. By confirming you agree to terms and conditions, select continue. Printer automatic ship your toner. Do not enable toner delivery. It's not compulsory. Are you sure you want to skip this? Skip the offer. I like to buy the toner by myself when it's needed. Time to install the toner. So the toner is already installed. So you open up the toner. If you are doing this for the first time, you just need to bring out the toner and push it down. Okay. Then you select continue. It will ask you, let's load the paper. The paper is already loaded here. So we have A4 paper here. Select continue. Let's print. Setup complete. Let's print. Okay, so select print a document. This printer, you can only print black and white. Okay, so select print. Here we go. This document we printed out. Congratulations, felicitation. This is to show you that this printer is connected. And the next thing, it will ask you send link. Not right now. If you want to print from other device, not right now. and this printer is here. It will also show you the toner level. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.